スバル先輩にとってアヒルとは何なのよ。
いやいや。
飼いたくないなら
実は、あと truth?I'm not duck. It's top secret, so it's top secret. But Kiara is my friend.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
So I secret talk this.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm not duck. I'm human.
No. She's trying to gaslight me.
No. Sorry.
嘘やろ。でもダックじゃなかったらホロトリどうなる？ What happens to ホロトリ then if you're not a duck?
But my feeling is duck. But I'm a human. Please trust me. 人間と思い込んでる悲しきモンスター。
But whatever you say, in my head, you are a duck.
Yeah, I think I am duck.
Oh, you
Recently, because many people and many members and Yago and many manager and many fans say, Subaru, you are duck. But
Maybe I'm not the one being gaslit. Maybe she is the one.
気づいちゃったってなって。
これはでも英語で言うと gaslighting って言うんだよ。
gaslighting？
なんか相手に嘘を何度も言ってそれをいずれ相手は真実だと思い込んでしまうっていうのは gaslighting って言うんだよ。
This is gaslighting!
Yeah!
Mind jack!
Yes!
So, recently,
I'm happy, right?
I remember.
You remember?
Yeah, I am a human.
Well, then we're not done yet. We haven't finished the brainwashing. まだ覚えてるなら、洗脳がまだ終わってないってことだ。
No!
もうちょっと頑張らなきゃ
Why 頑張らなきゃ
Because if you are not a duck, then Horotori is a lie.
No!
Then I
is
am
true.
the first bird.
そんな悲しい Please stop your sad face! Yeah, I'm a duck! I remember!
Okay!
I remember!
Thank you!
I finally! I remember! I am a duck!
やったやった。スバル先輩